Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically it's by a brand called Ovente. And pretty much what this is the professional compact blender that you can use to blend smoothie, drinks, whatever you guys want to use it for. That's up to you guys at the end of the day. But let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first before we test it out and whatnot. So when you guys first open the package itself, this is what it comes inside. If you can see, they have a little instruction guide to teach you guys how to use the product itself and all the different functionality that's on here. So when you take out the protection layer, this is what you guys can see inside. So this is the first part right here. As you can see, it's brand new. Has like a protective layer inside, outside. You can see that it has the measurement in liter and also in pint, and also has it in cup and ounce, so you guys know how much to add and how much to use. Uses a 4-blade, if you guys can see inside. And then next we have the cover. So this cover is for right here, so it's actually put on top right here to cover it, so that way it won't splatter all over the place when you're blending your stuff. And then last but not least, we have this part right here, which is the actual blender itself. So you can see all the different functionalities on here. So there's a P, if you can see right here, and P means post mode or post function, and then right here is 1, so it's speed level 1, and then speed level 2 right here. So really easy to use. All you guys have to do, just set it onto the actual mode that you guys want to have it on, and then it starts blending the product itself. And all you guys have to do is just put this on here, just like this, and lock it. Alright, so it's locked, as you can see. So if it's anywhere that's not within this lock area, then it's not locked. You guys want to make sure it's locked before you guys blend your product, whatnot. And at the bottom, you can see that there's a suction cup right here, here, and here. So that's actually really useful. That way, when you guys are blending your drink, it won't be like moving around or flying all over the place when you guys are blending your product and whatnot. And then another thing that's actually really cool about this product is the fact that you guys can actually put it upside down, so it's space saving, whatnot. So like this. So if we unlock it, you guys can do like that, so you guys save a lot of space and whatnot. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. The only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let's actually go do a quick test of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product after. But this is basically what the product looks like. It's quite big if you guys compare it side by side with this one. So for the top right here, you can see that there's a piece missing. So I need to contact them to see if they can resend me a new one, or send me like the correct part so I can put this part covered up. So right now I can't really show you guys a full-on test of actually using it, but I'm still gonna do like a mini test to show you guys how well it can like crush like ice and whatnot. So since I'm missing that part on top right here, I'm gonna have to just put this towel on top, so that way I can use that as a little cover and whatnot. So let me actually turn it on and show you guys what it looks like with the ice inside here. Alright, so that's speed level 1. Let's try speed level 2. Alright, that's speed level 2. Let's try the third and final one, which is the P mode, and see how that one works. So it looks like the P mode is just like a really strong, powerful mode where it just blends one time super strong. If I can see all the ice just fly all over the place. But definitely really cool and super useful for like blending any kind of like juice, smoothie, maybe any kind of like drinks and whatnot as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, you guys can see that actually does work, and it works really well. It's definitely super easy to use and everything, super powerful and whatnot. I also love the fact of how this part is actually so compact, so you guys can save a lot of space. Compared to your regular blenders where it wastes a lot of space because of how it's designed and whatnot, like you guys don't get the option of where you guys can actually flip it upside down like this, and it actually wastes a lot of space. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So with me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have